want to smell like 1 million, because when I smell like 1 million, I'll attract 1 million. 1 million pounds. It's something like
my mind. My mind. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearning. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day.
Can't focus on. I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel so.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Today is Monday. It's the 13th of October and it's 6:51, guys. I'm supposed to be out of this house by 7. Latest 7:05, but instead of me leaving, I decided to turn on my camera and speak to you guys. Anyways, I'm almost ready. I'm going to work this morning. If I have work the whole day though, I'm going to work now. You guys, did I tell you? Oh my gosh, I look so bold, but it's fine. Did I tell you guys I already defended my thesis? Did I tell you guys I submitted my thesis? Like, I feel like you guys are behind on so many things, but the girl is not officially, but let me say finally and officially are two different things. Officially is when I'm going to walk on the stage, take my certificate, and yeah, but I'm finally done with my master's program. I defended my thesis. I submitted my thesis on the 18th of September. Yeah, 18th of September. I submitted it and I did my defense on the 1st of October. Yay! Guys, I was so happy to be finally done. Like, I was already getting fed up. I was already getting tired. I'm like, when will I finish with this thing? But finally, God did it. He did it. And I'm really hoping for the best when my results come out. I'm going to share it with you guys because you guys have been with me from the first day I stepped my foot in here. If you can scroll down to my page, you will see first days in England. You will see when I was collecting my BRP, just going around the school. Like, you will see all of those things. So I feel like you guys have been with me throughout this journey. So you guys deserve to know how far it is going. You deserve to know because you have supported me and all of that. But anyways, drink water in the morning, guys. Drink water. I want to straighten my wig now because it looks, for a Monday morning, nah. But I don't have a straightener, guys. I don't have a straightener. I think I should put foundation on this lace. I don't know where my black lace is. I cannot find my black lace. Like, where are you? I don't know, guys. I cannot find my black lace. I just have to use this funny ass laces. And because I cannot wear my wig without anything, because my hair is not braided. And if I dare put that wig on my hair like this, it's not going to sit still. So, yeah. What's the itinerary for today? I have work the whole day. I have break too. So I don't know what about. Oh no, I know. I have to edit a YouTube video, and I also have to edit a TikTok video. Guys, I'm back on TikTok. I'm back like I never left. But I'm not posting every day on TikTok again. I think for now, because whenever I try to post every day on TikTok, I get so burnt out and I take a break, and the break becomes like from 1 week to 2 weeks, from 2 weeks to 3 weeks, from 3 weeks to a month, or even 2 months. So I'm just like, nah, I'm not going to post every day, because that's what I did. I think, when did I do that? I posted every day for a particular month, and I was so exhausted. Imagine filming every day, editing and posting, filming, editing and posting, filming. Like, bro. And doing TikTok and YouTube at once, that's the most difficult thing on earth. Like, I cannot do it. So I've just decided to like do what I can do. Like probably just post maybe like 3 or 4 times in a week. Yeah, post like 3 or 4 times in a week. Yeah, this is cool. And on on YouTube, posting every week. I want to get to that stage where I have to post 2 times in a week, guys, because this account has to grow. My account has to grow, and it's not going to grow if I don't put in extra efforts. Since I don't have a straightener, I'm using my corner. Call me ghetto. Call me ghetto. I don't think it's that bad. It's just something so it looks presentable for a Sunday morning. Yeah, do you see that? Sorry, a Monday morning. Why am I getting confused? Anyways, it's a Monday morning, so it's a day for confusion. It's okay to confuse from 6:59 or now 7. This is when I have to leave the house, but I'm dressed already. Before I came to talk to you guys, I already dressed, obviously, as you can see, and wore my shoes, and I packed my bag. So immediately I just, because I know I'm going to sit in bed forever. So when I'm done with this, I'll just your coil has straighten a week today to straighten your bubble or your bone straight period, and it's going to come out pink. That was so cringe, like yeah. Put that comb in my bag. Okay guys, I want to start doing my nails, like, and my hair most often, like just looking very put together, because I'm a very put together person naturally, but since I got into this country, not like I'm not put together, but when it comes to my hair or my nails, normally I don't usually get my nails done regularly. Even when I was in Cameroon, I usually just get my nails done like just once in a while or something. Then my nails are always clean. You will never catch me with any freaking dirty nails, no. But my hair, and that's something I just want to like excuse me, like just to keep it cool, clean, decent, like really not much, but just always look put together. That's the main thing. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys want me to show you my outfit, but I just have pants, white sneakers, and this bodysuit. It's actually, let me show you guys. Stop being lazy. I have on this bodysuit and this pants and white sneakers. Yeah. You guys, I have to go. Oh my gosh, I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I didn't even line my lip today. That's not time. We're good to go. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys throughout the day. Catch ya.
Yeah, hot chocolate. I don't like coffee, so.
Yeah. And what do you want?
Milkshakes, if they have any. Cold drinks.
Strawberry. That one. There you go. Small one's fine. The difference is not much anyway. My mom, yeah, whenever you wake up in the morning and you haven't eaten and you eat something like stupid, she's like, is that the first thing you're going to eat to make like the base of your tummy?
6,000 calories.
Are you counting calories? Not today. But usually that's what I have. That's it, yeah? Yeah. Oh, there's a little around here.
There's a little around here.
Yeah, okay.
I never noticed. And it's so far.
There's a gym as well.
Around where I am, I'm so close. Is it Aldi?
There's no little.
There's no Aldi, there's no little around me. What is Sainsbury's? Sainsbury's?
Yeah, I mean, if you get offers, yes. If you get offers, yeah. If you don't get offers, then... Thank you. I don't know why your camera can't go all the way like back. I'm too lazy to turn around. Right, there you go.
Thank you. Ask me what I'm having.
What are you having?
Hot chocolate. And this is milkshake for my madam, strawberry milkshake. And I'm having the breakfast menu because it's 10 pancakes and sausages.
Oh, nice.
There's cereal.
Okay. Butter,
Butter.
looks like.
Syrup and butter.
Ooh, yummy.
No
Alright.
chicken today.
Are you a chicken girl?
All the time. Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, okay.
Thank you. God, it smells so good. Marc Jacobs. Let me show you guys the price. Oh, I cannot take it off. I cannot take it off. Can I? Oh yeah, I can. £42, but if I have the Superdrug card, £32, which I do. But I'm not getting it because I don't have money. Let it alcohol finish on this. 1 million. It smells good. I want to smell like 1 million because when I smell like 1 million, I'll attract 1 million. 1 million pounds. Oh jeez. Do you like that one? Yeah, I like this one. I like this one. This one smells good, but this one, I'm getting one tiny air freshener somewhere. This one smells fresh. This smells actually fresh. I can get that air freshener. Now what we're going to do now? Take this one. Ah, guys. Because winter is coming, let me give you guys one advice. If I've not done anything for you, listen to this one. You have peace in your house because this is going to help you throughout this winter. If I've never done anything for you, this is something. Don't say I've never done anything. This is something. Buy lemon seed. Buy lemon seed. If it is so cheap. It's not cheap in Superdrug. Superdrug is like £6, but anywhere else you can get it from Sainsbury's, Boots, anywhere else for like £4 or less. I don't want to seem scale to you, but it's expensive in Superdrug. The name of this perfume is Ghost, and it's actually Ghost because I cannot smell anything. Another Ghost. Let's see if it's actually Ghost. Yeah, it is because I cannot smell nada. I know you guys will say because I've not sprayed it, but it's already perfumed. These are testers, and you know when you spray perfume 1 to 3 times, you don't need to spray it. You can just put it and you obviously perceive it. But if you're not perceiving anything, it means there's something else wrong because it's not brand new. If it's brand new, I'll know it has never been sprayed. But this has been sprayed so many times. Look at where it is, and I cannot do like this. I cannot smell anything, so it's Ghost. All of these are €5 each. These are something you can just throw in your bag when you're going somewhere, you know, to just top up your perfume and everything. They come in handy, but it's been added to the bucket list. So my birthday is coming December 3rd. If you want to get me something, I love perfumes, I love money, I love skincare. Get me a freaking wig. This is the one in Versace Noir. Is it here? Oh, Christian Noir. Oh, it's cute. Yeah, that smells good. It smells rich. Versace Noir. That one got rich, bro. Which one? Where is it? That one. Got new sticker. You guys, perfumes at Superdrug are not so cheap, but less expensive than Boots. Prices of the same perfumes at Boots will kill you. Meanwhile, they are the same perfumes though, but the prices here at Superdrug, I don't know why. Prices differ in different places depending on what you want to buy. So never just buy something, especially if it's pricey. If it's above £50, check other shops before you buy, because I kid you not, it's actually less expensive somewhere else. So don't buy, but you can buy for me though. £1,000. My card is going to fly. Let me pay. Oh, I forgot I took out my card from here. I'll take you guys off because I'm paying with this one. Bye.
Break your heart.
Let's try it out.
Fly away.
Just there.
Gonna fall apart.
Yeah?
Break your heart.
What?
Gonna move
For the
away.
people.
Gonna break
Where's
your
the
heart.
Let's go now.
There's no reason why you gotta break your heart. You're always gonna find a way.
I hope he buys you flowers. I hope he holds your hand. Give you all his flowers. Take it to the party. Oh, this is so pretty. Yeah.
Probably just buy one of these.
Okay.
Because if you get flowers,
You need it. Oh, maybe you need
just
a
like a big
flower pot. Yeah, you can get this one.
Hey, mister, in the corner of my mind. Would you mind to say it time? Baby, give me some advice.
It smells like flowers.
Hey, mister,
Nothing special.
share some of mine.
Yeah.
Kindly say your knowledge, mister. I'm searching.
He said,
It's only gonna get worse. It's only gonna get worse. Enjoy your time. It's only gonna get
it isn't finished by life. It's only gonna get worse. Save us, save yourself.
He said, you're gonna
Break your heart,
you're gonna
fly away. Gonna fall apart, you're gonna break your heart. You're gonna move away, you're gonna break your heart. There's no reason why you gotta break your heart. You're always gonna find a way to break your heart. Listen, break your heart. It's only gonna get worse. No matter what, you're always gonna get hurt. Told me you loved me in October. You said I made you wanna change. But here we are, another summer sober. It's all the fucking same. This conversation's getting older and older, and I'm not sure that it will ever end. But tell me again, it's not you, it's the situation. Tell me again, it's out of your control. You keep me waiting with the worst of you. Oh yeah, you keep me waiting with the worst of you. And you call that love. You give me nothing, but I still can't get enough. And I call that love. And I call that love. You give me nothing, but I still can't get enough. And I call that love. Baby, you know when I call that love. You give me nothing, but I still can't get enough. And
Dear Miss Allegra, Lord, I know you fine. I know I'm not always on call, but I be on time. You heard from your ex-men, I could read your mind. I'm trying to get inside that thing that's in between your eyes. I need a real woman, that's something I had to realize. I'm done with the games, we should burn money in paradise. In a Vetements jacket in a paradox. Make it rain in Southern California, that's a paradox. Say I'm always skating, but I keep you here waiting. Girl, you know I idolize you like I'm Clay Aiken. Girl, you know I fantasize about you laying naked in the villa, in the grill, drinking wine as if we Jamaican. So call me Liam Neeson, tell them niggas you taking. You just so advanced, them other bitches is basic. You bad on your own, but we so much better together. Just give me the green light, I'm ready when you ready.
told me just wait a little longer. How much longer, baby? 'Cause all that gets you through the night is the thought of us together. Oh, baby. So you think that when you hold her, this conversation's getting older and older, and you keep getting harder to defend, babe. Tell me again, it's not you, it's the situation. Tell me again, I should just understand, yeah. You keep me waiting.